Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert image over cell in Google Sheet. So let's start. The first open your Google Sheet, then go to the insert tab, then click on the image option, and here click on the second option, insert image over cell. So here you can see the one dialog box is open, insert image. And here the different tab is available. You can upload the image from your computer. Second is a webcam. You can use the camera to click the pictures. And third one is a link. You just paste the URL of image. And fourth one is a photos. You can just select your photos. And the fifth one is a Google Drive. You can just select your Google Drive's photos also. Okay. And the last one is a Google's image. Here I'm going to upload the image from my laptop. So in first tab upload, click on the browse. Okay. Then select your the folder and I select the image. Then click on the open and wait for the few seconds and it's inserted. You can see dog image is inserted over cell. Okay, not inside the cell, it's over cell. Okay. Simply click on it. You can easily move anywhere. You can easily resize it. Okay. And here you can see the three dot. You can replace the image. You can delete the image, assign the script, reset size, alt text, put image in the selected cell. So you can see here. So here I select the cell and now I click on this three dot and click on the put image in selected cell. See the you can easily put the image in selected cell also. I use here the Control Z and click on again, click on the three dot and to replace image, just click on again the same dialog box is open to replace your image. That's it.